Hey, reaching out from Terry Hendricks Chrysler here to give you a bit more of an in-depth look at the 2021 Dodge Durango RT. I do want to first off apologize. It is a bit dirty. There are some pretty excessive water spots on the vehicle. I'm going to kind of ignore that and just point out any sort of potential cosmetic impurities that may pop up here as I make my way around. On the driver's side here, get back to about the door handle, and there are some light, very light surface scratches that you can see on the vehicle. Same thing here with the driver's side rear door. Not sure if you can see what I'm even talking about. Makes it a little tough in the sun. That's a spider web. And onto the rear here. Looks like that's rubbing off. Could be a light surface scratch there. Doesn't seem to be through the clear coat. And onto the passenger side. There are no dents, dings that I'm seeing in terms of major damage on the vehicle. Only little thing that's catching my eye here as the light kind of gets it. Looks like there might be a little tiny dent under the mirror here. Just saw it catching the light. You can kind of see it there right under the mirror. Give you a quick peek at the inside here as well. Vehicle's not quote unquote perfect, but it is in great condition, as you would anticipate a low mileage late model vehicle. No smoke, smells, or odors. Interior is in good shape. Headliner is clean, sunroof there. Heated seats here in the back. Backs of the seats are clean. And onto the driver's side, same story up here. Upholstery is in good shape. No rips, no tears, no punctures. 31,237 on the odometer. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see, anything specific. If you'd like to see it cleaned up, we can do that as well. Thanks again.